Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into how people start forming opinions within seconds of you speaking.
Yeah, right. It's fascinating how, before you even finish your first sentence, people are already building an impression. Hmm.
Exactly, and it's like based on not just your words, but your tone, your energy, and even your body language.
Mm,
It's as if your presence speaks volumes.
it really does. And that's why creating a sense of comfort and clarity is key immediately from the get-go.
Now, think about this. It's not about perfection or being an extreme charmer. It's about understanding a few crucial communication principles that are, well, pretty simple.
Yeah, right. You don't need to be this larger-than-life persona. Just something warm and genuine works wonders.
Speaking of warmth, many tend to start off trying too hard to sound, authoritative or impressive.
Yeah,
But warmth builds connection so much faster than authority, don't you think?
absolutely. I mean, a simple smile or a calm tone can go a long way. It's almost like that gentle spark that instantly lights up the room.
Right. Think about greetings like, it's great to connect with you, or I'm glad we're having this conversation. They immediately lower defenses and open up a space for trust.
Exactly. And it's fascinating how using someone's name can intensify that part of the connection. You mention their name, and suddenly they feel seen and valued.
Totally. And adding in a personal connection, like, I noticed you've been working on that project. It shows you're paying attention and really um, getting to know them.
Yeah, that definitely creates a vibe of attention. I'd say that's one of the most underrated tricks. But I do wonder, don't you think sometimes you risk coming off as too scripted if you rely on those phrases?
That's a fair point. I mean, it's um, all about balance. You want these phrases to feel natural,
Yep, balancing
not
is key.
robotic. It's like you adapt as you go.
Exactly. And speaking of adapting, clarity in your message is super important. When your words are confused or overcomplicated, people feel lost.
Clear communication equals clear trust. If you're mumbling or making things overly complex, it creates distance.
Definitely. So keeping your talk simple and direct not only helps you come off as confident, but it really builds that foundation of trust.
And another subtle trick is matching the energy and pace of the person you're conversing with. If they're vibrant and energetic, you mirror that some, if not all, of their energy. And if they're calm, you tone it down
Yeah,
too. It's like attuning to the same frequency.
definitely. Aligning with someone's energy creates this almost effortless connection. It's as if you're like saying, I'm right here with you.
And let's not forget maybe even the hardest part, which is actually listening more than you
Right,
speak.
that's a big one. Exactly. Active listening really is one of the fastest routes to building genuine trust. Instead of planning your next word, really absorb what the other person is saying.
Yes, and when you listen carefully, you can then respond thoughtfully, which shows that you value their input. It's a two-way
No
street.
doubt. There's also the idea of showing genuine interest. It's not just about nodding, it's asking meaningful questions like, what do you enjoy most about your work? Or, what's been your biggest challenge recently?
Absolutely, those types of questions really dive beneath the surface. They invite the other person to uh, open up and share more about themselves.
Yeah, that makes the conversation richer. It's almost like you're inviting them to tell their story rather than just being a monologue of your own interests.
Precisely. And then on the flip side, trying too hard to impress, using big words, exaggerating stories, can actually end up putting people off.
Yeah, that feels a bit fake. Right, authenticity is key. When you're genuine, people can immediately feel whether your interest is real or just for show.
And it's interesting that authenticity combined with consistency over time, being clear, warm, and attentive in every interaction, really cements trust.
Uh huh. Because trust is not built in just one conversation, it's accumulated with every exchange.
Yes, and that leads us to the importance of leaving a positive final impression. How you wrap up a conversation really matters.
Yeah,
Whether it's
definitely.
expressing appreciation or anticipation for future interaction, that final note sticks.
For instance, saying something like, I really enjoyed this conversation or looking forward to next time goes a long way.
Exactly, those simple, sincere words create a lasting, positive feeling.
That lasting impression is everything. So, just to run through the key points: first impressions, warmth over authority, using names and personal connections, clarity, matching energy, sincere listening, genuine interest, authenticity, and consistency.
Right, and don't forget the importance of ending on a positive note. All these elements come together to um, make people like and trust you almost instantly.
Definitely. One thing I want to challenge though, some might argue that a bit of authority, when used correctly, can also build trust. What's your take on that?
Good question. It's definitely about balance. Authority has its place, especially when you need to provide clear direction or expertise. But if it overshadows warmth, it may create, a barrier.
That's fair. So, in essence, while authority can be helpful, it shouldn't come at the expense of that personal connection.
Exactly, it's a fine line. Think of it as blending the right ingredients in a recipe. Too much salt spoils the dish.
Yeah, that analogy really hits it. And the beauty is, these techniques aren't about changing who you are. They're about amplifying the best parts of your authentic self so that others can feel comfortable around you.
Right, it's about naturally um, connecting with people. These small changes in how you communicate, when practiced consistently, can transform your interactions into something more meaningful.
Absolutely. It's incredible how the little nuances can have such a big impact. So, whether you're in a meeting, chatting with a friend, or making a first impression on someone new, focus on connection and clarity.
Yep, keep it genuine, listen actively, and always leave them with something positive. That's how you build trust and make people like you right off the bat, um, every single time.
No doubt at all. And that's our deep dive into the art of making people instantly like and trust you when you speak. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about connection.